Okay, hello friends. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to configure Windows 10 compilation Redstone 4. Yes, this is Redstone 4. Just to get rid of 100% usage, I installed Process Hacker, but I have to do something to install this again, because this is slightly build. What I have to do, because I use the compatibility mode, but I want to install this once again, because I missed one option. Oh, maybe because of this. Why isn't possible? Maybe if I use 2 settings here. Okay, now it is being treated like service. One option doesn't allow me to install this program, but what we will do first to reduce 100% usage of hard disk, let's start from Vagrant Intelligent Transfer Service. We will stop this. Instead of auto start, we will set to disabled, because this program is much faster. Take no action. Check this. Instead of using Windows services, this is much better solution. Now we will scroll down to connected users and telemetry. Diagnostic tracking service. Now we will stop this. Properties, we will exactly do as I showed you. Number of days 0. This is much better tool to disable services. Now we will go to Superfetch. I have to check if I can disable Windows Update in that way using Process Hacker. Properties. And you repeat step as I did before. This is better tool than what I used before. Windows Defender I already disabled, but I used the group policy editor. Stop Windows search. Why I have received the warning? I shouldn't receive this. Windows search. What? Let's check Windows. Where is Windows Update? Okay. We have to check. Oh, I can do that with Windows Update. We do not want this to be running again. Dependencies. Start update. Demand start. This is when you want to manually. When you want to start up a service manually. Maybe I will use disabled. You can quickly recover this service. Okay, now let's check Windows Defender Antivirus service. Why is demanded startup type? Oh no, this shouldn't be here. I do not want this service to be running again. Access is denied. Permissions. Oh no, this is bad. I have to check if I can change this. File Explorer, Control Panel. I don't remember what's the name of my system. Desktop. Oh, this one. I didn't put name. access is denied. Oh no, I have to. No, I will do in different way. You have to use group policy editor. I already disabled. Ah, yes, I forgotten to mention something about another thing. We have to manage our page file because this is new tutorial. Virtual memory I do not need. No paging file. Restart later. Okay. msconfig boot. We also will be using this. How many processors will boot? Restart later on. And what else? I have to check something. Group policy editor. There is lots of stuff involved in it. Administrative templates, Windows component, Windows update. Okay, now I will use configure automatic updates disabled. Okay, we do not need this. Okay, what I have to check. Oh, I already disabled. Okay, now task scheduler. English people pronounce task scheduler. We have to disable one thing. Application experience. Microsoft compatibility appraisal. We do not need this because this overloads our computer. And this is main problem. Later on I will switch to notification area. Wait a minute, because I have to. Oh yes, I have to go to control panel. We have to manage the power performance plan. This is important the most. Change advanced power settings. We don't turn off hard drive after 20 minutes. Allow hybrid sleep. We disable this. With USB selective suspend, we also disable this. Very important. And you will no longer have performance issue. If you have, then you have to do a couple steps more. Now we have to check SATA drivers conflict issue. Okay, device manager. I don't know how do they pronounce in United States, manager or manager. Okay, we have to check our SATA drivers. You will probably have to update to SATA to AMD SATA AMD SATA driver. Okay, details. Device instance path. We have to go to one catalog and change it to value 0. Actually, I remember how to do this. I forgotten to mention something. I will get back to this. Sorry, I completely forgotten. System, current control set, enum, PCI. There are so many things to disable in Windows, to be disabled in Windows 10. So many things. Interrupt management. This one. You have to put 0. You will make your SATA driver compatible. Now I have to get back to control panel. I completely forgotten about this. Sorry guys. You have to do this. Choose what power buttons do. You have to. I will select this option, but I shouldn't really use this. Hibernate takes too much space. Fast startup causes your PC problems with shutting down. This option makes your PC shut down longer. Now I will have to go to this. Okay, we don't need this. I didn't disable Cortana in Group Policy Editor. We have to disable Cortana. Administrative templates, all settings, allow Cortana. This was causing my PC having 100% hard drive usage. Okay, we do not need this. Windows Defender also can turn off smart screen. I disabled this. So you no longer get smart screen message. Okay, we disabled Cortana. So many things must be disabled. We already did with power plan. We did with services. I think that's it. Hopefully. Please try to remember what settings you have to disable and use task process hacker, but don't select the reset settings, otherwise this program won't install. I should get back to this application. Let's try to install again. Because this is nightly build. What I will do now, I will not select this. Maybe I was able. No, I didn't want to use compatibility settings. Come on, Simon. We have to do once again. Because this should be working without checking compatibility. You don't select this, otherwise program will not install. Wait a minute. This is not necessary to be selected, but I will select. I installed once again without compatibility checking, but you cannot use reset settings, otherwise it won't install. Very useful tool. I believe we have already fixed 100% usage. Let's check our hard drive. As you can see, no 100% usage. Let's check Start Task Manager. As you can see, no hard drive overload at all. I hope you like this video. This is my proof that it would work. I also have no, I didn't attach another hard drive. Even if you attach another hard drive, your Windows will work with my settings, what I showed you. I believe this would help you. This is video tutorial updated.